Okay, as you can see, we're got the patient all stripped down. The headlight is just demolished. You can see it up close there. It's all the housings broke. The upper plate's all right. It was just a little twisted. The bumper is too torn apart. You can see it's got big rips in it. We're gonna put that back on though. Our goal today is straightening this fender. Now you can probably see that buckle in there I was talking about, and this little deformation all through here. So we're gonna fix all that along with the hood, and we're gonna put a new light in here to make sure everything's sitting right. We got everything out of here. The frame measured out, and the core support was a little back. I've already yanked that a little forward, so we had to straighten that out where it got hit by the headlight. But as you can see, it came out. We don't need to paint it. Looks perfect. So now we got access to get behind this fender and straighten out these little buckles in here. I don't know if you can see that. How about this way? Is that better? Yeah, you see that big dent right there? That's what we got to fix. You see all this scraping all through here? We're going to straighten that up. So we'll get back with you shortly here after we get it ground down.